Hello YouTube, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna set up our Ionic CLI. So first thing we need to do is to install Node.js to get the Node.js package manager, npm. We'll use npm to install our Ionic CLI and Cordova. So download the Node.js and install it on your system. It's simple. Now you also wanna have Android SDK tools installed. You actually have to install Android Studio, which is an IDE to create Android applications. Now this program is more geared to build native application with Java. So we're not going to use the IDE at all, but we do need to download it in order to have the SDK, in order to have virtual tool devices. So go ahead and just click download and just go through the installer and get that installed. And then you probably have to install the virtual plugins. So what you would do, open the studio. Now you probably get this screen asking you to create a new project. Just go through that. This project doesn't matter. We're not using it. It's just to get into the screen. Then we go to this little icon up here, which is the SDK manager. So you should see something like this. We click on SDK tools tab, you'll see what you have installed. Now this right here, Intel emulator accelerator, you're gonna need that, so check that, and also auto API simulator here, check this too. They're probably not installed by default, so install them, click OK and get that set up. And if you just go to this icon right here, which is the Avd Manager, you can add and remove virtual devices. You probably have Nexus as a default, which is okay, and you can add another one from here and choose what device you want. Alright, so get that stuff set up. You need to set up all of these before you start building your application. Now open your CMD or terminal, type in npm install -g for global and Ionic and hit enter. Ionic will be installed globally. Now once it installed, we have to install Cordova too. And Cordova, also known as PhoneGap, and what that does is it allows us to use features that we couldn't use with Ionic, like camera, contacts, etc. To install Cordova, type in npm install -g for global and Cordova. Once it installed, we can finally create our applications. So that's it for now. In the next video, we'll create our application. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next.